Yesterday's a treasure today is here. Tomorrow's on its way. The sky is clear. For the memories of all the laughter and the tears.
Bye!
And not to mention our doubts and our fears. The hypertension. It's really funny to look back after all of these years.
Sabi mo siya, kung magkakwento ka, huwag ka nagagamit ng mic.
Farewell to you, my friend. We'll see each other again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here's where my heart will stay with you. My friends, with you.
Bye-bye!
Farewell to you, my friend. We'll see each other again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here's where my heart will stay with you. My friends,
Happy graduation!
with you, my friends, we'll all
Bye! Bye!
Iyak ang mapapaiyak ni Melvin. Naalala ko yung pagbalete natin.
Nakamiss kaya si Eddie.
Lalo ko yun.
Oo, nakamiss kaya si Eddie. Pag wala ka pa sa hope, pwede tumapos. Tagal din hindi tayo magkita.
Canada na to si Melvin. Ay, si Melvin
Wala
pagbalik.
pa naman si Canada.
Canada na nga.
Ito, boss.
Mag-ibig na, pagbalik na. Ay, hindi na mo tatapos.
Iyak-iyak ka na eh. Ayaw pa iyak eh.
we'll see each other
Ito nga, pantay.
again.
Ito naman.
Ayan!
May pag-isa rin.
Ayan! Ayan, Ren! Sakto sa'yo.
Paglisan. Pagpatay.
Ang patay yan? Yeah! Ano yan? Ang buhay ng Christian!